Hey dolls, so I've been getting a lot of questions how I achieved this gorgeous red lip, especially for black women and women of color. It's hard to find red lip combos that like really just like make our that don't look like too much and just like it's hard to explain, but you know, if you know, you know, because when I posted this picture on Instagram, on my story on Instagram, and on my community tab on YouTube, everyone's like, you have to do a tutorial. So here we are. I'm going to be showing you my secret red lip combo, because black women can pull off every lip color. We just have to find the right lip liners and right combinations to make our lips look gorgeous, because we have like the really good shaped lips. So I'm going to show you how I do this gorgeous red lip, and I'm going to make it very simple. It's a simple quick video on how I do this, and I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you matte like I have it right now, and I'm also going to show you glossy. So grab your coffee, grab your tea. I have water today. Hold on. Grab your water and let's do this quick easy makeup tutorial. I'm just going to be showing you the lips. Let's go dolls.
Could be a dream, and I think I'm when you come true, and I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life, and I think I'm dead. If I could take you up and boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream, and I think I'm when you come true, and I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping to meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, and I think I'm when you come true, and I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Okay, so the first thing I do for my lips is I'm actually using 3 products. So I'm going to show you. I'm using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Uncensored. So I'm using this. I'm also using, you can see I've used so much of it, MAC's Ruby Woo. I love it. And I also have Ruby Woo. Who remembers when Rihanna had Ruby Woo? And then I'm also using, she had like a collection with MAC before she ever launched her makeup collection, and everyone went mad for that one. And I'm also using Night Moth. The product I'm going to use is Night Moth by MAC, and that is to line my lips. So I just take Night Moth and I start on the bottom and just gently, and then I move to the top part. And I go slightly above my lip line, just slightly, because I already have full lips, and I just like, I'm never going to like line the inside. I don't know why people line the inside, it doesn't make sense. I used to when I wanted to have an appearance of smaller lips, because I used to get bullied for having full lips, so, when I first started doing makeup, I lined the inside of it, but I don't do that anymore because I just embrace my full lips and I like to make it pop more, so I always go slightly, as you can see, just slightly above, like that, with Night Moth. So I am kind of messy with this because I'm trying to create an ombre effect, and I go in from the edges of my lips, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna just blend this out, so I'm gonna do it. So it has that like faded look, as you can see. Take Ruby Woo, and this is a matte lipstick color. I love Ruby Woo. I remember, who remembers when Rihanna had, like, this was her first ever makeup collection before she started her own brand. She had a collection with MAC called Ruby Woo, and it's basically like her version of, with MAC, her version of Ruby Woo, which is the most popular red lipstick at MAC, the most iconic red lipstick at MAC. I still have Ruby Woo. I can't find where it is, but it has like her name autographed on the side, engraved on the lipstick. Such a gorgeous color. I think sometimes I like Ruby Woo more than I actually like Ruby Woo. I just can't find where it is. But funny thing is, I have a story to tell, a little story time in this video. So I'm just going to apply that in the middle. So I got Riri from London. So it was just back when it launched. It was sold out everywhere in America. And my brother had to, he was like moving to America, and he had to bring it, like I sent it to my address in London, the old house we used to live in, my like childhood home. And it was not like it, the home was sold. So I don't know how my brother got it, but I was like in tears. I'm like, I need my lipstick, because I paid double because I was paying from America. So it was a nightmare, but I got my lipstick in the end. I remember just crying my eyes out, like, oh my god, my lipstick's gonna be with a total stranger and like the new person who moved in, and I'm never gonna get that lipstick ever. And I finally did, so it was worth it. All that hassle, and it never came back in stock. It was sold out forever. Like, so that's how much people like Rihanna products. Oh my god, it's starting to look gorgeous. I'm gonna bring that in. I like that. Don't know why I'm talking like this, but I like to take my lipstick and put it in the center, like even up to there, like that. And I do the thing on there. And then now I'm gonna just blend it out. This does look funny. You want to just blend. Ooh, looks really good. Okay, so now I'm using Rihanna's unbuttoned lip. I don't know if this is a lipstick. It's a matte like lipstick. Is it liquid lipstick? Okay, so I'm gonna be using this, and it's by Rihanna. It's so vibrant and fiery red. So at first it's going to look very shocking, but I'm going to blend. It's how I blend it that makes it work. So like if you first look at this, you would not. It's redder than my lip, like than my nails. If you look at this in the shop, you'll think it's a black woman or a woman of color. This is not. You feel like it's going to look too much on you, but it's how you blend it into your lips that is. Just watch what I do. I'm just going to put it in the middle. And it's gonna look really extreme. I promise you. It's gonna look really. And then I'm gonna just blend it. And just let it dry, because it dries really quickly and it dries matte. And that's what I like about this, is that it doesn't smudge, it just stays in place. So I'm going to take the MAC, what is this? Night Moth. So I'm going to take the Night Moth, and I'm going to go back in, even as it's wet, and just give this and blend it in. I'm going back in with the lip liner. Gonna take some more of this unbuttoned by, wait, is this on uncensored, sorry, by Rihanna Fenty Beauty, and I'm just gonna highlight, and it's just a constant blending in of the lip liner into the lipstick and just kind of marrying the colors and shades together. That's what makes it pop and look phenomenal, and it makes it wearable on a darker skin tone, and I just love it. You see, it's almost like my lips are 3D. And there you have it, juicy red, gorgeous, bright red lips on dark skinned women, on black women, and I just love it. Rihanna really created a masterpiece with this one, and I love the way, like, this lip combo. I've gotten so many questions on this lip combo. I absolutely love it, and we're not done. I feel like you guys want to see it in Glossy as well, because I did it in Glossy and that got a lot of compliments. So the matte, which is this, so the dried one is like this, and this lasts forever. Like, I could eat stuff, there's literally no transfer. I have a straw here, I'm going to prove it to you, watch. Well, there's transfer, but it's not much. Like, your whole lip gloss doesn't come off, like your lips stay like I can eat a bunch of food and it doesn't move. Like it's still kind of wet anyway right now, but what I'm trying to say is that once it dries in, there's barely like any transfer. So that's when I have it matte. Now I want to go glossy and Old Hollywood Glam on You dolls. And I'm now going to just add lip gloss on here. I just love it though. It's so gorgeous. It's just such a timeless piece. It's such a timeless look, and just wear your makeup really light, like airy and light, and just have your lip be in the focal point. Like I did a cat eye and nothing, no, like just eyeliner and lashes and no like eyeshadow on. You want to keep this as plain as possible in your eyes. You want the focus to be on your lips. So now I'm going to, and just really good skin. And now I'm going to do like add some gloss on here so you can see how gorgeous this looks when you have lip gloss on it. Okay, so for glossy, I am using just a regular lip gloss that I have, and this is by, this is just a regular Beauty Supply lip gloss. I use this every day, and I don't even know who it's by. It's just one of those plain lip glosses, and I'm just gonna take it. And this stays glossy all day, I promise you. Like, I get so many compliments when I wear my lip gloss. Like, LB, you ate all this food and your lip gloss is still on. So, I'll probably link it below so you can see it. It's really cheap, and I get a pack of them off of Amazon for like $4 or so. I love it matte. So, I'm just going to blend this in. And sometimes I find when I have, oh my goodness, I love it. Sometimes I find when I wear lip gloss, I have to still go back in and blend it again with my lip liner, which I'm going to do right now. And it's just so, it's like kissable lips. Like, this is date night. Like, the matte is morning, like daytime. The glossy is date night. Like, you're getting a date with these lips. And, like, yeah. Just going to blend this out. Oh my goodness. I love this. And the funny thing is, guys compliment red lips more than any lip colour I do. They're always noticing. There's something scientifical, they say, that men love red lips. I get it. It stands out. Like, it just, you don't have to do much on your eyes. Like, all the focus is down here. And I love it. And it's such a classic colour. Especially with the red nails. Oh my god, it's so classic. So that's the glossy. I could add more gloss, but I'm trying to blend this out. Which one do you like, dolls? Let me know. But I could add more gloss in there to just make it more like wet. Let's see. Just a little bit. A little bit more gloss. It's just, I love it. I actually love it. It's so iconic. Oh my god. Let me know, dolls. So, do you like the gloss or do you like the matte? Matte or glossy lips? Oh my god, I just love it. So that's that. This is it here with gloss, and this is how it looks like. Tell me which one you like. I love my lips. I love it matte. I'm feeling the matte lately. But anyway, dolls, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. I hope Rihanna watches this video. Share it to her because she is selling this lip. Like, I love it. Like, go and get yourself one of these. Step one, get yourself one of these. I'm not sponsored, but hey, Fenty Beauty, come through with a sponsor because I love this lip. This is my favorite red. Like, I can even do this on its own without anything else, but I just love it. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, yes, we can pull off gorgeous red lips as black women. Maybe I should do pink next or purple. Let me know in the comment section what you want me to do next. Do you want to see like a full makeup tutorial? What do you want to see me do next? I am down to do anything that you dolls request. Let me know in the comment section down below. And also, do you like matte or do you like glossy? Right now I have matte on, but do you like glossy or do you like matte? Let me know in the comment section down below as well. And thank you so much for watching, dolls. I will see you in my next video. Just love you, dolls. Bye.
Life could be a dream, and I think I'm plans will come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, and I think I'm and I think I'm oh, life, and I think I'm if I could take pick you up and boom, boom, go, boom, boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and open to me again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom. And a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be